Alright, so I've gotten a lot of cool like gifts from Miyachi Maniacs along the way, like this groovy paper Miyachi that my boy DGH made for me. He also sent along a whole stack of Red Wings hockey cards. I got the letter that it came in. Got a bunch of other cool stuff at the house, but this one may be the coolest thing I've gotten so far. Check this table out. Yeah, you can see like a reflection of me videotaping it. A couple of guys that live here in Long Island actually did this. They hand cut this piece of lucite to cover it. You can see right there, that's all hand cut. Well, I mean, I guess they didn't, cut it with their hand. They probably used a saw or a tool of some sort. But you can see all the cartoon characters are there. Trifold picture, good picture of Big Mama right there. And this is a picture of me from WikiHow. We got our flyer dropped in there. And that groovy pic of Miyachi Man that I'm sure you guys have seen. Anyway, this is now, until we find a different use for it, my Mountain Dew table. I thought I'd share it with everybody. Hey, wait. Inaugural. First Mountain Dew sitting on it. How about that?